Hey, it's your boy Satish here from Dallas, Texas. Now, here's the deal. I'm going to show you 3 businesses that you can start right now with $0 today. Let's go. Hey, hold on. Before we get any further, I have a little bit of an announcement for you, okay? So, did you know I publish videos once in a while for 24 hours and get rid of them? Why? Because those videos are exclusively for my subscribers. That could be you, okay? So right now, I want you to hit that red button and subscribe right now if you want that exclusive content. Now, is it gonna cost you any money to subscribe? No. So go ahead, please subscribe so I can bring you those exclusive content right now. Number 1, rent your stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Let me show you how. So what you can do is on Facebook Marketplace, just like this, you can rent your stuff that you actually own, like your bikes. Let's say you just got married, right? And you have that backdrop, you can rent those out as well. You can pretty much rent out anything that you own, your motorbike, your car, your truck, okay? Anything. So number 1, okay, rent your stuff on Facebook Marketplace. Super and easy. Number 2, sell baked goods. Sell muffins, cakes. Everybody loves fresh bread. Instead of buying it at the store, the home ones are always cooked much better. Now, you can sell them on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, to your friends on Facebook, Instagram, and etc. as well. And you're saying, I don't know how to bake. Guess what? Hire your mama right there. Number 3, what you can do is package experience and sell it off to your friends, family, and strangers. Let me explain. So let's say you are an artist, right? What you can do is collect $50 from your 10 of your friends and say you're gonna have 2 hours of masterclass therapy for reducing stress, okay? And what you do is let them finger paint, teach them painting, teach them a few things about colors. And guess what? You're repackaging and selling them the experience of feeling, good without the drugs. So guess what? What you can do is sell people experiences, okay? You can do that with meditation. You can take them to a ranch or farm, let them feel the grass, all those things. Sell people the experience, okay? Now, if you enjoyed these 3 things on how to make money with $0, guess what? I got more of this, okay? But for this, you have to subscribe. If you go to my playlist, I have something called 1000 Ways to Make Money series where you can learn how to make money like this. See you on the next video.